this lesson, we're going to learn days, months, and years in Mandarin. So, let's get started. 今天星期几 which means what day is it today? Please repeat after me. 今天星期几今天星期几今天星期几 is made of 3 words. 今天 means today. 星期 means day. 几 means what? 今天星期几 In Mandarin, we use a formula to say the days of the week, using numbers that you have learned in previous lessons. You need to add 星期 to a number to make it a day. For example, Monday is 星期一, where 星期 means week, and 一 is number 1, which is basically first day of the week. So the second day of the week is Tuesday, for which you will say 星期二, and Wednesday, 星期三, Thursday, 星期四, Friday, 星期五, Saturday, 星期六. Sunday is an exception. Sunday is 星期日 or 星期天. So, to say today is Monday, we say 今天是星期一. Please repeat after me. 今天是星期一。今天是星期一。今天是星期一 is made of 3 words. 今天 means today. 是 means is. 星期一 means Monday. 今天是星期一。So, how would you say today is Tuesday? 今天是星期二。Please repeat after me. 今天是星期二。今天是星期二。今天是星期二 is made of 3 words. 今天 means today. 是 means is. 星期二 means Tuesday. 今天是星期二。For saying the rest of the days, we only need to replace the numbers at the end of the sentence, except for Sunday. Next, for saying what's the date today, we can say 今天是几号? Please repeat after me. 今天是几号? 今天是几号? 今天是几号 is made of 3 words. 今天 means today. 是 means is. 几号 means what's the date. 今天是几号? We can answer the question 今天是几号 by saying 今天是2012年12月31号 which means today is 31st December 2012. Now, please repeat after me. 今天是2012 2022年12月31号。今天是2012年12月31号。今天是2012年12月31号 is made of 5 words. 今天 means today. 是 means is. 2012年 means 2012. 12月 means December. 31号 means 31st. 今天是2012年12月31号。In the previous example, for saying year 2012, we just needed to use individual Mandarin numbers instead of saying 2010 and 2. And to say the months from January to December, we follow the formula, which is number plus 月. 月 means months. For example, January, 1月. 1月. 1月 is made of 2 words. 1 means 1. 月 means months. 1月. Here is a list of saying 12 months in Mandarin. 1月 January. 2月 February. 3月 March. 4月 April. 5月 May. 6月 June. 7月 July. 8月 August. 9月 September. 10月 October. 11月 November. 12月 December. In this lesson, we have learned 今天星期几 What day is it today? 今天是星期一 Today is Monday. 今天是几号 What's the date today? 今天是2012年12月31号 Today is 31st December 2012. Make sure you practice these sentences. I'll see you next time.